2,500 years before the invention of the printing press, on the island of Crete, someone stamped history's first mass-produced message into clay. This is the Phaistos disc, the unsolved holy grail of archaeology. When Italian archaeologist Luigi Pernier found it in the ancient palace in 1908, he didn't even realize what he had discovered. The 241 symbols on the disc were not drawn by hand. Each one was stamped individually into wet clay using pre-made molds. So, you are looking at the world's first typewriter.